Brainard Ground, Archer 33121. We have a reading that we don't like to see, so we're going to scrap the test flight today.
33121, no problem. Going back to...
We're going to go to total. Yeah, we're going to bring it right to total ground.
Roger, taxi to total via Alpha and Delta.
Taxi to total via Alpha Delta, Archer 33121. All right, we got no brakes. Check your brakes.
Radio check, brake check.
All right, I want to roll. Check the
right brake.
I got the left brake all the way to the floor.
So you got your rudders pinned in too.
Right.
Working with that?
Yeah.
So for your first radio call, you want to tell tower we're on a engine break-in flight. We want to circle at 3,000 feet. Probably going to advise that we're going to be VFR above there because we're out of his airspace. He may give us a squawk code immediately and tell us to contact them when we're ready to depart.
Brainard Ground, good morning, Archer 33121. Information Charlie at the T's, ready to taxi. You're on a maintenance flight, breaking in the engine. We're going to climb at 3,000 feet above the airport.
32121, Roger, runway 20, taxi via, I think you said you're in Charlie, be Charlie Alpha Hotel.
Taxi to runway 20 via Charlie Alpha Hotel, Archer 33121, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to go headset off and just listen to everything.
2121, did you want to advise you Bradley since you'll be in their airspace?
Affirmative, I think we'll take a code, so we'll be over the airport for about 20 minutes, Rick.
Roger, just, I'll give you a code for Bradley then.
Copy that, 121.
Ground, Order 723 Papa Charlie, requesting taxi is active for southbound departure with Delta.
Number 121, squawk will be 5215, departure frequency 12395.
Alright, 5215, 12395, Archer 121.
And number 723 Papa Charlie, Brainard Ground, runway 20, taxi via Charlie Alpha and Hotel.
Alright, got 2982.
Runway 20 via Charlie Alpha Hotel 723 Papa Charlie, thank you.
73 Papa Charlie, looks like you're more situated for Delta, so let's make it Delta Alpha Hotel.
Delta Alpha Hotel 723 Papa Charlie.
Alright, cylinder head temperature did not move off of 48.
Okay.
Exhaust gas is 1097. Pressure is good, temperature is still in the white.
We don't have anything after run up, we'll talk about that. Yeah, no additional indications, and we kind of want that. EGTs look like they're responding?
1046. Cylinder head temperature is 48 degrees. Double checking the brakes here. Brakes are... Yeah, the left brake pedal.
Okay, you want to give me a brake check?
Yeah, you go for it.
Left, good. Right, good.
Alright. Cylinder head still hasn't moved up.
I don't like that CHT not coming up.
Oh, we're at 49 now. Alright, parking brake is set, flight control screen correct. Thumbs up, ailerons up. Thumbs up, ailerons up. Feels nice and smooth. Electric trim. Electric trim is functional. Electric fuel pump is going on. Fuel selector switching to the right tank. Fuel pressure is good. Mixture is full rich. Throttle 2,000 RPM. Left mag. 50 drop. Back to both. Right mag. 75 drop. Back to both. Carburetor heat. We have a drop. Carburetor heat's on. Going idle with carburetor heat on. stays running, carburetor heats off, back to 1,000. Cylinder head temperature is 49.
I'm looking for it. I'm staring at it, looking to see if it moves. I'm on the fence, man. What do you think? Because that was going to be my primary observation for this.
Yeah. Well, you're the ops manager. It's your call. I don't look at that one before I depart.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't know its trend.
Gotcha.
I'm just looking at it now because I've seen it at like, 311 in the summertime because I looked at it.
Yeah, 310 and 380 is where we're looking to be. We got oil temp coming up. We've got no indication on that. And that's our primary reference for the break-in.
Yep.
Seven o'clock. We can. I hate to do it, but I'd like to see that operational.
Yep. All right, so we'll scrub it.
Let's go. I think we're gonna fly today. Let's bring it to total. Park out there. We'll get this addressed immediately.
All right. Brainerd Ground, Archer 33121. We have a reading that we don't like to see, so we're going to scrap the test flight today.
33121, no problem. Going back to...
We're going to go to total.
Yeah, we're going to bring it right to total ground.
Roger, taxi to total via Alpha and Delta.
Taxi to total via Alpha Delta Archer 33121. 49. Total's hangar 4 or tree. I think it's 4.
Yes, yeah. I usually don't approach it from this way. So let's pull right up, right in front of the bifold doors and command attention.
.49 still.
Yep, okay.
Bucked up.